Hello viewers, you came just in time. My workday has already begun. I like to start with organizing my desk, because order sets the tone for the whole day. But here's the problem. My apartment is really small. Cleaning up the shelves doesn't really solve it. What's when an idea came to me? Some time ago, I created a series of illustrations dedicated to vintage cars, and when I thought, why not turn that inspiration into something both unique and functional? A place to keep my things tidy. More than that, it could also make a perfect gift. For a birthday, for new school year, or simply as a beautiful surprise. Something useful for students, office workers, or anyone who wants a cleaner desk. So, here it is, a pencil case designed as a retro car. Out of many options, I choose the Volkswagen Beetle from the 1950s. Simple, stylish, and just right for this project. The car can be split into two parts, the main body and the roof, which acts as the lid. I started with sketches to visualize the design. To make it more practical, I added not only a roof lid, but also a side hood that opens. This way, brushes, pencils and other long items can fit inside easily. Everything is secured with small locks, making it convenient to use. Next came the 3D modeling. I began with simple shapes representing the object I planned to store inside. Step by step the model evolved into a fully printable design. Of course, I could have just downloaded a car model online, but since this pencil case requirement special modifications, I built everything from scratch. During modeling, I tested many different ideas until I ended up with a modular design, easy to assemble even without glue. When it was time to print, I used PLA plus filament. Part after part was printed, tested, adjusted, and reprinted until every piece fit perfectly. When the construction was ready, I assembled the body, hood and roof. When came the painting stage, I went with a classic look, bright red body, dark windows and grey-white metallic details. Simple yet stylish, perfectly matching the retro feel of the car. After the paint dried, I tested the locks. They worked smoothly, holding the lid and hood securely in place, while still allowing easy access to longer items inside. Now my very first project on my very first 3D printer came to life. A pencil case in the shape of vintage Volkswagen. For me, that's a great debut.